So I'm going to demonstrate how artificial intelligence is giving a very good suggestions, uh, sometimes contextual suggestions as well for writing code. So uh, using artificial intelligence, most of the code can be adopted from the AI. You just need to accept or reject the coding suggestions. Also, if you want to edit on top of it, you can do it. So let's see. So this is a test code file, and this is written in the programming language C sharp. So let's start. So I'm just writing the first line using system. Okay, and it is predicting that I should write this next line, but I choose to skip it, and again it is suggesting that I should write a test class and within an empty main method basically. So I'm accepting the suggestion and I pressed tab, and it is written. Okay, now I want to write some more line of code. So um, let's say like get the current directory. So this will return the current directory. Okay, um, get the product of all elements of an array. So it is auto suggesting that how should I what code I should write to get the product of all the elements of an array. um, Now it is suggesting me to write get the sum of all elements of an array. So you can see this is a contextual suggestion. So since I was doing some operation on array, so it is suggesting me to okay some more operation on the array. So I am accepting this suggestion, and I'm going to write some more method. So now it is returning the sum of an array. Now um, get the average of all the elements of an array. So now this is the method. Okay, get response from get request of an API. Let's see if it is able to write or not. So currently it is not suggesting, so I should try to write in a different. Oh, it came. I think I should wait. Is it? Okay, let's see. From API endpoint. Okay, it came. And I am completing this function. Get response from post request of an API endpoint. Okay, get response from put request of an API endpoint. All are contextual suggestion. Okay, and let's try some more. So get uh, get or method to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, this is the method to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. This is the method. Okay, and okay, so all are contextual suggestions. It is assisting me based on the current context. It is not losing the context. Okay, so some more try. So get user info from Microsoft Graph API. So let's see. if it is able to fetch. Okay, it came, it came, it came. So it is suggesting me to call this endpoint, which is correct, using uh, new HTTP, sorry, new system.net .web client. Okay, this is absolutely correct. So I'm completing this method and get or make HTTP request to Microsoft Graph API. Let's see what approach it take. Okay, here is the approach. So this is to make HTTP call to Graph API with access token. So the same call but in a different way, right? I think this is a generic method it has created. So you can pass the method type, get, put, post, or whatsoever. So this is a generic method it has created. Oh, this is perfect. So you can call any Graph API. You just need to pass the endpoint. You just need to pass the access token. So this is perfect. So let's see. Get tweets from Twitter API. Let's see if it is able to give something. Oh, it came. Wow. So api.twitter.com search tweet.json query. Okay, I should be having query, and this method should accept these parameters. This is perfect. Get get Twitter user info from Twitter API. So see this auto suggestion, ready-made code for you. Everything is ready. Get current weather from Open Weather Map API. There it is. You just need to pass the city and the API key. Get weather forecast. Let's see if it is getting some code. Oh yes, it suggested some piece of code. So this is absolutely perfect, and you can see in a very short span of time I am able to write approximately 179 lines of code, isn't it? So this is what the power of artificial intelligence, and all these codes are very perfect. I mean, you hardly need to change anything, and it is following all the best practices. You can see all the camel cases, the passing of token, keys, you know a very generic way how a method can be written. It's written here, right? And sometimes handling the corner cases as well. So that's very impressive actually. So yeah, figure it out by trying yourself how powerful it is. You can search by GitHub Copilot. That's the tool name, and it is developed by GitHub, a part of Microsoft.